Are you tired of apps and services on your iPhone tracking your location? Are you looking for a way to turn off this setting? In this video, I'll show you how to disable location services on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Privacy and Security. And then tap Location Services. As you can see, location services are currently enabled and active. So if you want to turn off location services on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch next to location services. And then tap Turn Off. And now you've successfully disabled location services on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.